Hey everybody, welcome back to Mike's Wooden Things and Stuff. It's been a while since I made a piece of furniture, but I'm making a piece of furniture. So today I'm going to show you how I went from rough, weather-beaten boards that live out in my backyard to this dovetailed case with all the dividers all dadoed and stub-tenoned into each other, and it is now ready for a frame and panel door, 3 drawers. These are just going to stay as open cubbies, but we'll get from some seriously rough boards to this today. And then stick around for part 2, where we'll do the door and the drawers and stuff. Remember, if you like what I do here, there are ways to support me listed down below in the description of this video. And as always, feel free to ask any questions that you have along the way, because I'm happy to answer them down in the comments. Let's get into it. Come on. Yeah, I'm making furniture again. It's been a while. Come on. So there we go. Like I said, it is going to get a frame and panel door up here. It's going to get 3 drawers down here, and these are going to stay as open cubbies. We'll do that in the next episode. So stay happy, stay healthy, stay safe, everybody. I got a shop renovation coming up that's going to take my shop out of commission for hopefully not as long as I fear it will. But the first thing that's going to happen once that reno takes place is the rest of this cabinet, so I can get it up on the wall and fill it with candy. I don't know. I actually don't know what's going to go in it. I wanted to make another cabinet, so I'm making another cabinet. Bye for now. Hey everybody, welcome back to Mike's Wooden Things and Stuff. It's been too long since I made a piece of furniture, but I'm working on this guy right now. And that's what I'm doing. I'm working on it. Clearly, it's right here. There it is. Hey everybody, welcome back to Mike's Wooden Things and Stuff. It's been too damn long since I've made a piece of furniture. And I'm working away at this cabinet right here. This one is going to be going up on the wall of the shop after my upcoming shop reno. So let's figure out what you're going to say. Let's do that. Let's figure out what you're going to say and then say it instead. I'm working on this cabinet right now, and I thought this would be a good place to stop and talk about how I get from rough lumber that's weathering out behind my my house in the backyard under the deck. Why do we need that much description about where the wood is? Hey, car. Hey everybody, welcome back to Mike's Wooden Things and Stuff. I'm working on this cabinet right now, and of course you're working on the cabinet. Why do you keep saying you're working on the cabinet? It's clear they clicked on the video because you're working on a cabinet. You're sitting beside the cabinet. How do you say what you're doing here? I don't have any idea about how to introduce this. And it is now ready for a frame and panel door and some drawers down here. These two are just going to stay as little cubbies. So today that's what we're going to do. We're going to do that today. That's what we're going to do. We're going to do that. That was closer. That was closer. Hey everybody, welcome back to Mike's Wooden Things and Stuff. It's been a while since I made a real piece of furniture, but I'm working on this wall cabinet here for the shop. And today I'm going to work you through going from rough, really rough in this case, lumber, into a carcass that is currently in this condition and state. And this is how it looks. Obviously, you're looking at it. Hey everybody, welcome back to Mike's Wooden Things and Stuff. I'm working on this cabinet for the shop, and yes. What are you trying to say? Stay happy, stay healthy, stay safe, stay happy.